Hi everyone, I am Laika Jane D. Frias, and today I'm featuring an exciting science innovation developed right here in the Philippines, Project Dagat. This is a smart device designed to detect tsunamis and storm surges early to help keep coastal communities safe. So, what is Project Dagat? Project Dagat, which stands for Deploying Acoustic Guardians Advanced Tsunami Detection, was created by students and faculty at the University of Perpetual Help System, Delta in Las Piñas. It is the first of its kind in our country. Why it matters? Our country is prone to natural hazards like earthquakes, tsunamis, and storm surges. Early detection can make a huge difference in preventing loss of life and damage. The system has a tsunameter as its main body and two high-tech sensors, a pressure sensor and an accelerometer, both equipped with artificial intelligence. These sensors help analyze what's happening in the ocean. So how does it work? When the sensors detect unusual changes in underwater pressure or movement, the AI interprets the patterns. The device then sends real-time data over nanosatellites or communication networks for analysis, helping scientists and disaster responders make timely decisions. Currently, Project Dagat is being tested offshore in Cavite. In its first phase, it is submerged at 30 meters, but the full design plans to go deeper. This phased process helps ensure accuracy and reliability. The Department of Science and Technology is funding this project, demonstrating how government and education sectors can work together for community safety. Recent storm surges from typhoons remind us how unpredictable the sea can be. Devices like Project Dagat help our disaster agencies act faster and with better data. So, in summary, Project Dagat is a promising tech innovation that uses intelligent sensors to detect ocean hazards early, making our coastal communities safer. Thank you.